Today's November 29th before the open of Asia, 4:20 p.m. Um, I did a midweek report last week. It was Thanksgiving weekend, 11/26, I believe. We had choppy market during the week with the low volume with the holiday. So I want to show you what we think is going to happen with what the setup we're looking for this week. And this week is going to be ending on, I believe, the 5th. This is our daily chart. Like I said, we still have support here. This moving average is still supporting us. We're still looking at an uptrend here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We still need to put a 5-bar low in here somewhere eventually. Right now we have this as a 5-bar high. But that will change or could change very soon. That didn't really fall on a time day, so I'm looking for maybe a higher high, but we'll see what happens. So let's get back down to where we're at here. We have the 240 here with a big key reversal here on the upside. We got a low risk, high probability trade here. Just right click here on the data. We want to buy the PP. Like I said, the PP is going to be a good area to place trades. It's going to be a low risk. You got a 10-point range. If the average price is right in the middle, you want to buy in the middle. It goes up, you can make money, okay? I'd rather buy the average than buy the high. So here we got the previous close here at 85. We have the PP on the 240 for 87.50. We have the PP at 89.50, and this is telling me a breakout day, folks. So when we have a breakout day, although this high is saying it's on a 26, we could have penetrated this high. So, and we did make a lower low here. So, this thing could go either way. Could go either way. Could go either way. So, we got to watch this market. This area right there is that weekly support. Same thing with the weekly. Now, you want to watch your moving averages as well. 2044. We're far away from there. Our weekly averages, we're at 2050. We're still pretty far. This 2074, 2082 are very critical support areas. As you can see right here. So we'll see if we're going to continue to take a new high or if we're going to make a lower low. To set this up, if we wanted to buy this 87 based on this particular trade, saying that it would be a 5-bar low here, because this lower low is lower than this low, so it goes higher high, low, and then we want another higher high. So we will just look and see at 87 area. All we got to do is look and see where our moving averages are. I'm a visual guy. These moving averages look like we're going to have some resistance here with that 92. We'll see what happens if we break out back here. And we test this area right here, this 85. I'm not sure if we're going to retest this low. 20-minute here, 88 right here. So this would be one that would probably pull the trade out if it found support there, if the time lined up, and if the retracement lined up. Same thing with this one as well. Looks like we're having a hard time closing below that 88 area. You can clearly see the support there. So we'll see what happens for the range. Same thing with the weekly range. You know, we had our higher high here. We did make it to our, my objective here was 60, 50. I think it came 65, 50. It's usually plus or minus 5 to 6 ticks, depending on the volatility. I still think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could be ABC and then come back up again. But I still think we're going to go in for a little bit more highs on the S&P 500. If you have any other questions, www.wetttraderllc.com. You can get a free demo, www.wetttraderllc.com. Like me on Facebook.